I'm Regan Schmitz.
I'm Isabella,
And this is Rebirth of the Resurrection Plant. We came up with our science fair idea because we found an article in a magazine in our science teacher's room. We then further researched the plants, and that's what we decided to do for our science fair project.
Our problem was what was the minimum amount of water that would grow the resurrection plant the quickest and healthiest. The purpose of our project was doing different amounts of water and adding them to the plant to see what would grow the fastest and healthiest. We thought that plant 1 would grow the fastest because with further research we found that 177.4 milliliters was the recommended amount for the plant to grow the fastest. Our procedure was that we first put 6 different plants in 6 different containers. Then we put different amount of water in each. And over 48 hours we checked on them and took pictures of them and measured them. And then after the 40 hours were up, we took out the water and let them dry out for 72 hours. And then we repeated this process 6 more times.
So basically how the plants grow is you can leave them dormant for months, years, like even their entire lifetime. But when you put water into them, the roots shoot out and the bloom starts growing. But when you take out the water, the roots shoot back into itself and basically die and the bloom closes. So basically what we did is we did this 6 times, and every single plant is every single trial. So that's how much it grew for every single trial. It's each plant, and that's our plant averages.
Some background data is that they grow in the Chihuahuan Desert, that is in US and Mexico. They also can heal gastric cancer and treat the common cold and sore throats with a tea.
So in conclusion, plant number 3 actually grew our plants the best, and which is not as we formerly thought, which was plant number 1, our controlled. So plant number 3 grew the best, we thought anyway, because after 48 hours there was still water left, and it has fully bloomed and a root shot out. After 72 hours it still had a bloom, and it was still moist enough and it had a little water left, and it still had its roots.
If we would further our research, we would do different kinds of liquids, like purified water and sparkling water, to see what would grow the plant the best and healthiest. If we would further our research, we would do different kinds of liquids, like purified water and sparkling water, to see what would grow the plant the best and healthiest.